All right, let's look now at mounting the clips to the proximity sensors. Remember that what we'd like to do is we'd like to have the left proximity sensor have the actual send receive components facing to the outside of the walker, and same with the right, and that the connector for the telephone wire will be on top of the sensor and run up the leg of the sensor. And remember that we wanted to put the um, we wanted the we wanted the wide part of the clip to be on top and the thinner part of the clip to be on the bottom. So we're going to mount it to the sensor like this, using these outside arc-shaped holes or slots. You could, if you loosen up the screws, you can rotate this a little bit around this kind of plane to get just exactly the angle you want. So with that on top, I want the wide part of the wedge on top, and we'll mount like this. Those are ready to go, like that, on the walker. The left and the right, facing this way right here. Okay.